Want to transfer your Google Calendar from one Gmail account to another? In this video, we'll show you how to migrate your Google Calendar events and appointments from one Gmail account to another using a simple step-by-step process. Start by launching the Aryson Google Workspace migration tool. After launching the software, the main interface displays several migration options and data transfer features. Review the available options and select the migration mode that matches your requirements. To transfer Google Calendar events and appointments, choose the option related to mailbox migration. Next, connect your source Gmail account. The software supports multiple authentication methods, including OAuth 2.0, IMAP with an app password, and Workspace Admin DWD. For a standard Gmail account, enter the Gmail address and continue with Google authentication. The application then securely connects to the source mailbox. Once the account is connected, the available mailbox appears on screen. Select the mailbox you want to migrate and click Continue. This takes you to the folder selection stage. Here, you can choose the Gmail folders and labels that should be included in the migration. You can migrate folders such as Inbox, Sent, Drafts, Trash, Spam, Start, and other available Gmail labels. The software can also count the messages in selected folders, helping you understand the amount of data before starting the migration. Now, we can click on Email Client and choose the Google Workspace in the destination. For administrator-based migration, provide the Workspace admin email and the required JSON or P12 service account key file. After entering the required credentials, click Connect Workspace. The software retrieves the available Workspace users and prepares them for mailbox mapping. Select the mailbox or mailboxes where the source Gmail data should be migrated. After selecting the required users, continue to the mailbox mapping stage. If you're transferring calendars between different accounts, map the source account with the appropriate destination account. This ensures that the selected events and appointments are transferred to the correct Gmail account. For multiple accounts, you can configure the required mappings before beginning the migration. Before starting the transfer, you can customize the migration using several filtering options, including item types, resume migration, date range, skip folders, duplicate handling, advanced email filter, custom folder name, folder settings, attachments, miscellaneous options, free up server space, save contacts as .vcf file, and save calendar as .x file. Review your source account, destination account, selected calendar data, and migration settings. Make sure everything is configured correctly before proceeding. Once all settings are confirmed, start the migration process. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips.